haven't vlogged in the car in a really long time. I stopped doing it because I have serious road rage and I get really shitty with other drivers really quickly. So I thought it was best like not to document too much of that, but I'm back. I'm on my way to work, but today I'm going to be ducking out from work to get my nails did, which I am super excited about. And I'm actually getting acrylic. For those who don't know, I have really long natural nails. I'll show you guys properly when I'm stopped, but I have really long natural nails and I just get gel manicures at the moment, but like I want to do something different. I want to try acrylics. I want to see what that's life is all about. So I'm going to go duck into the dry cleaners and pick up some pants of Dad's that had to be fixed. He popped his fly and Mum said, so my parents owned a funeral home, so poor Dad had to do 2 funerals the other day with a broken fly. So I'm gonna go pick those up for him and go to work, and yeah. So while I'm at the stoplight, here is my real nails. We can't really see. Should I close this? Can you see better? Real nails. Going to get some acrylics that are going to be even longer in a second. Oh my gosh, and now I've got to find where this place is. Oh, there it is. Literally right there. I've never been here before, so I love having a small car because it's so much easier to park and I can just fling my car about without hitting other traffic. Such a good old winter's day. Ah. People probably think I'm actually recording them when I'm recording myself. I can tell that person in the 4 drivers like, what the fuck's going on? He was such a nice man who worked in there. We were talking about the weather, because if you guys couldn't tell from that little shot, the sky is like as grey as it could possibly be. It's kind of like, it's like sleeting a little bit, so it's not snowing, but it's not raining. We don't really ever get snow where I live. Around us snows, but it never usually lands and settles here where I live. So yeah, off to work we go. Snacks. Sherp. No, you gotta say it properly. Are you showing them your nails? Yeah, Mum just got her nails done. Mum goes to someone different to who I go to. Oh, there you go, I can see it now. Hang on, don't move it. Focus camera. Oh, they look so pretty. I'm vlogging that I'm getting acrylics, Mum. Yep. You've got really bad lighting in here. I thought my house was bad.
My nose is dripping.
So's mine.
Now to the stock, we add the chopped celery.
My camera's being really bad with its focus.
And here is my new cast iron cook pot.
What is that?
That's the chicken carcasses.
Oh, and you've got it in the metal thing so that the bone and gross stuff doesn't go into the soup.
Yeah. And then I'm just going to chop all that chicken up and put it in the soup.
Oh, wow.
For dinner.
Huh.
It'll be cool. You can take some home for tea.
Yeah, and zucchini slice. Yum. Colour pink anyway. Hey guys, I'm a bad vlogger. It's been, what day did I get my nails done? Tuesday? It's now Sunday, but I got my nails done. Holy moly, I am so obsessed with them. Let me just focus on them. Can you guys see? They're so long, and I just love how we did that little leopard print accent nail. There we go, it's focused now. So yeah, they are really long. They look so good though. I'm so happy with them. I think I'm fully converted to acrylics now. Like I just can't see myself going back to gel because they're just so much neater, like versus when you get, let me try to focus this camera. It just won't focus properly these days and it's driving me insane. Lily, my camera won't work. You're so cute. Okay, there we go. So I think I'm fully converted to acrylics because they're just so much neater than gel. Like when you get gel over your real nails, you always have kind of like a rough edge, but because these are full acrylics, so Jessie actually hand sculpts them. I was going to do a time lapse, but like I just didn't even like take my camera inside, and I didn't want to be like, hey Jessie, can I record you? She didn't want me to. So maybe another time we'll do a time lapse. Lily, you want scratchies with my nails? You want scratches with my nails, you little cute girl. Oh, and me too. Okay, so yeah, anyway, let me continue just finishing telling you about my nails. So Jessie actually hand sculpts these. Maybe that might be better this way. So she lays down the first layer of your acrylic nails and then she paints the color over top. So when I go get them done again, she'll actually just file off this top color and then she'll just do a new color over the top. She won't actually have to soak off the entire nail. She'll just fill in around the cuticle at the base of the nail and then put a new color over the top. So you don't have to worry about having to get these soaked off every time you get them done, which is amazing. And then little Brettis is in. My camera, I swear to God, honey, is broken. Brett's going to the gym and then when he gets back, we're installing our new mailbox. Woo! We've literally lived here for over 4 years. 4 years! And we've never installed our mailbox. Which is funny. I don't know about you guys, but I can't clean without my Huey Boom and some tunes. There we go, got it. Also, I guess I should say too, there are a few things that are a little bit more difficult when you've got long nails. Like, I won't lie, a couple of times when I've been going to the bathroom, a nail has slipped in places I wouldn't typically like a fingernail to slip. But other than that, they're not too bad. They're actually a little bit more difficult to pick your nose with because you can't really feel what you're picking at because there's no feeling, obviously, in the acrylic, no sensation. So sometimes I only stick my finger right up to my brain, but other than that, we're okay. Other than that, it's pretty good. Do you want to go outside? Let's open the doors up and have some fresh air in here. Oh my gosh, you guys, so I just had to turn the camera off and rush over to my parents' house because the neighbour thought it was on fire. Wasn't on fire, it's just that the heater was on, so there was steam coming out of the little chimney things on the roof because the heater was on. So now we finally need to start cleaning, puppies. We need to start cleaning this house. Wasted half the day. I think I might leave the door open for some fresh air again. Let's get this shit done. So what I usually do is I will clean down my bench tops before I actually bother vacuuming because I just wipe all the crumbs onto the floor. I'm just giving my bench a good old spray with my Co. So this is like a universal cleaning product and it's got like no smell. It's not made with any harsh chemicals or anything. So it's safe to use around animals and children and babies and allergy sufferers and asthma sufferers. It's so bloody good. I find chemical cleaning products really irritate my skin and inflame like around my nose and mouth and stuff. Like whenever I use descaler in the shower, it always ends up giving me like a bloody chemical rash across my face and it's horrible. I don't get that with this, which is why I love it so much. So once I've wiped down my bench tops, I get my little Dyson out and vacuum my floor. once I've vacuumed, I just get my Trigger cleaning mop. This is loaded up with the exact same universal cleaner that I use in the spray bottle, but in the mop. And you fill it up in this little cartridge, and it's got a little trigger that you press up here, and when you release the trigger, it squirts out the cleaner on the floor, and then you just mop away. It's so bloody good. I love it so much. It's so much handier than using a mop and bucket, honestly. Like, it's so awesome. So awesome. And I love this mop, like, with my floors because I've got the vinyl planks. It's just so much easier to clean them. With this, especially like spot cleaning, like this time of year, we get really bad frost of a morning and the grass pretty much stays damp all day. So the dogs bring all the dirt and grass inside the house. So I like having my little Dyson because I can spot vacuum so easily. And then I like having this because I can spot mop as well. Oh, I'm going to light a little candle. Give some ambiance. Have some chocolates I put in this jar as well, so I gave it a wash because it had sticky stuff all in it. I'm so excited to have a new mailbox, and we also got a no junk mail sticker too, so I'm so excited to not get junk mail in my mailbox anymore. We get so many junk mail deliveries out here. It's absolutely crazy. Like, I swear to God, every other day they put catalogs in my mailbox, and I literally just put them straight in the recycling. I never look at them. I don't care for junk mail. I know some people love looking at the magazines and stuff that come in the mail, but I don't. These are actually still from Easter, these chocolates. I haven't finished them all, so we've got some little limp bunnies and some limp balls. And linked Easter eggs. So I'll put them here so I whenever I eat them. Oh, I just got that with it. Beautiful and clean now. Whoa. It's a hole, honey.
Some of the finest work.
Okay, I'm gonna go eat my party pies because I make party pies, and then I'll come out and check on you. Okay. Love you. Love you. Wow, she's so fancy. It matches our house so nicely. So this is the mailbox for anyone wondering. It's just from Bunnings. It wasn't even that expensive. I think it was like $200, which was pretty good.